Start 10th standard coordinate geometry. First example, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. We know that a point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. Let the point P x, 0 be equidistant from A 2, -5 and B -2, 9. We are given that equidistant from points. Therefore, AP is equal to BP. To remove square root, AP square is equal to BP square. Using distance formula, AP square is equal to BP square. X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square is equal to BP square. BP X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. It implies A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. X square plus 4 minus 4X plus 25. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Here again x plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2AB 4x plus minus 9 whole square 81. Therefore, here x square plus x square plus x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 8x plus 81 minus 25 56. Therefore, x is equal to minus 56 by 8 or minus 7. X value is minus 7. So, the required point is minus 7, 0. X, 0 minus 7, 0. One more example. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from 6, 5 and minus 4, 3. Here also we know that a point on the y-axis is of the form 0, y. Let the point P 0, y be equidistant from the points A 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. Here given AP is equal to BP or AP square is equal to BP square. Using distance formula, we can write distance between the points A and P 0 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to BP square. Distance between the points B and P x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 square minus 6 square plus 36 plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 4 square 16 plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here also plus y square plus y square. Then remaining 25, 16 plus 5, 25 plus 25, 25. Here minus 10y plus 6y minus 4y. Here minus 36. Therefore y is equal to 36 by 4, or y is equal to, that is y is equal to 9. So the required point is 0, y 0, 9. Next example, find the values of y for which the distance between the points p 2, minus 3 and q 10, y is 10 units. Here it is given that the distance between the points 2, minus 3 and 10, y is 10. Therefore, we can write using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 10. 10 minus 2, 8 square. Here y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. Square on both sides. We get 8 square 64 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100, or y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. Here 36. 100 minus 64 is 36. Y plus 3 whole square is equal to 36, or y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. 6 square plus or minus 6. Here two cases. If y plus 3 is equal to plus 6, y plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to plus 6 minus 3, y is equal to plus 3. Minus 6 minus 3, y is equal to minus 9. Therefore, values of y is equal to 3 or minus 9. Next example, if q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5 minus 3 and r x, 6, find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. Given if q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6. So we can write qp is equal to qr. qp is equal to qr, or to remove square root, qp square is equal to qr square. qp square is equal to qr square. Or using distance formula qr. From distance formula qr, 5 minus 0 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. qr, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 5 square 25, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 16, x square plus 6 minus 1 5 square 25. Here plus 25, x square is equal to 16, or x is equal to plus or minus 4. 4 square 4. Required point is, therefore required point is r x, 6 plus 4 6 or r minus 4, 6. We have to find the distances QR and PR when point R is plus 4, 6. QR x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, root 41. PR square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 plus 3 9, 9 square 81, root 82. When point R is minus 4, 6, QR, distance QR, x2 minus x1 whole square minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 square 16, 25, root 41. Similarly, the distance PR, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 9 minus 9 was 81, 6 plus 3 9, 9 square 81. Here 81 common, 81, 1 plus 1, 2, 9 root 2. Next example, find a relation between x and y such that the point x, y is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Here given, let point P x, y is equidistant from point 3, 6 and B minus 3, 4. Using the distance formula, we have AP is equal to BP, equidistant from the points. AP square is equal to BP square. To remove square root, distance formula for the points A and P, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For distance formula for BP, points B and P, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square BP, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, again y square plus 36 minus 12y. X plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 6x plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here x square plus 9, again y square, again 36 minus 36 plus 36 minus 16. Here plus 6x plus 12y minus 8y. 36 minus 16 plus 20, 12x plus 4y, 12y plus 12y minus 8y plus 4y, or divided by 4, we get 3x plus y is equal to 5, or we can write 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Let point p x comma y be equidistant from a 7 comma 1 and b 3 comma 5. Using distance formula, we can write AP is equal to BP or AP square is equal to BP square. Distance formula for the points A and P, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BP x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X square plus 49 a minus b whole square minus 14x. Y square plus 1 a minus b whole square minus 2y. X square plus 9 minus 6x. Y square plus 25 minus 10y. Plus x square plus x square. Y square, y square. Here 14 plus 49 plus 1, 50. Here plus 25 plus 9, 34. Plus 34 minus 34 is equal to plus 14x minus 6x plus 2y minus 10y. 50 minus 34, 16. 14x minus 8x minus 8y. Divided by 8, we get x minus y is equal to 2.